Ang init.
Parang kayo nasa gitna ng daga, ay ng forest.
Doon, sis?
Ano yan?
Paano kaming nakikinig? Paano kaming nakikinig?
Hi guys, it's June 28. It's a Friday today and ay, kumukulog. Pero ayun, nandito ako sa Redwood Cabin. Here, located siya sa may Bolinao, Pangasinan. I'm with my girlfriend Saya and her family. Just waiting sa ibang family members nila since nauna kami pumunta. Kumikidlat na guys, pero ayun. Nauna kami dumating here. We're just waiting for them, pero nag-swim na kami. So yun, pahinga-pahinga muna tayo and enjoy muna natin yung weekend. Dahil kabalik ng Pasay, balik na tayo sa review. So yun guys, balik na ako sa loob dahil mukhang uulan na. Morning walk with my love. What's in your hair?
Socks girl.
Socks girl. Anong binili mo? Ay, natakot sa aso.
You make my bones shake and my heart runs wild just to feel like love is near.
The old famous saying, always been told about it, though it doesn't make any sense. You're an Arab man and they're immune to pain. Am I some kind of cyborg? No one changes human nature. I gotta be who I wanna be, so please just let me be. When it comes to love, let's face it, no, we ain't not experts on it sometimes. Our pride speaks louder, yeah. But we also have the moments when we're broken hearted, that's right. We may look tough, but yes, the man cry for love too. But yes, the man cry for love too. But yes, the man cry for love too. Hey, I'm the type of guy who loves to hold hands, spread love to people, whether you're a boy or a girl. That sounds kinda gay, at least that's what they say. Am I some kind of cyborg? No one changes human nature. I gotta be who I wanna be, so please let me be. When it comes to love, let's face it, now we